student. Today we'll discuss about second year topic, one more important topic, relation and functions. Okay, now first we'll discuss Cartesian product of two sets. Hmm. Let us in the Cartesian product of two non-empty sets A and B is denoted by A cross B and is defined as the set of all possible ordered pairs of elements from A and B. Okay, that is A cross B is equal to flower bracket x comma y such that x belongs to A and y belongs to B. Then we have to denote like this. Okay, na? Then next note, if A is a empty set and B is a empty set, okay, then A cross B is a empty set. Both are if A empty set and B is also empty set, then A cross B is also empty set. Okay, number of ordered pairs in A cross B equal to, we can represent in n of A cross n of B. Okay, na? In general, A cross B is not equal to B cross A. This is okay, na? Let us will discuss next further. Further discussion will deeply discussion this. A cross B is not equal to B cross A. Okay, na? In the Cartesian product of two sets is not a common set. Okay, na? Then A and B have a n elements in common. Then A cross B and B cross A will have n square is ordered pairs in common. N square is ordered pairs in common. Okay, na? So this is a basic introductions, Cartesian product of two sets. Then next we'll go for real topic. Okay, na? So means real concept. First is relations. What is relations? First we'll discuss any subset of A cross B is called a relations from A to B. Okay, na? Relations are denoted by the R. We can representing in R. Okay, na? R is not fixed. You can representing in capital letters. Actually capital letters, you can take it another letters also, capital letters, A B C D, like that. Okay, na? So relations from A to A are called the relations A or relations in set B, means relations A or relations in set A. Okay, na? A to A. Then the maximum number of relations that can be defined from A to B is 2 power n of A dot n of B. Okay, na? N of A into n of B. The maximum relations finding this finding we can using the formula 2 power n of A into 2 power n of B. Okay, na? If x comma y belongs to R, x comma y belongs to R, then we say that x is related to y, and we write it as also x relations R. We can representing also like this. Okay, na? X relations R. Then types of relations, we'll go for move for types of relations. So already you know in first year topic relation functions already you know, but we'll discuss once again. Okay, na? So empty relations. First, relations are on a set A is called a empty relations if number of andre means no elements of A is related to any elements of A. Number of elements of A is related to any elements of A. So for example, R equal to empty set, subset of A cross A, like this. Okay, universal relations. What is universal relations? Means a relations are on a set A is called a universal relations if each element of A is called A is related to every element of A. This is universal related. Each element of A is related to every element of A. Okay, na? Then you will go for next one more. This is note, means empty relations and universal relations are called as trivial relations. We are called as both relations, we are called as trivial relations. Okay na. Then next, reflexive relations. What is mean by reflexive relations? Means relations are on a set A is called reflexive relations. A comma A means this is A comma A belongs to R. For every A belongs to A. Reflexive relations means it is like that mirror. Okay na. For example, A comma A belongs to R, or one more general this is general example, example. Then you can use for example means 1 comma 1 belongs to something a set, or for example set, you will take it set A. Set A equal to such that elements are 1 2 3. Okay na. So write reflexive relations means 1 comma 1, 2 comma 2, 3 comma 3 belongs to set A. Okay na. This is reflexive relations. Okay na. We'll go for next note. Empty relations is reflexive on empty set. Empty relations is reflexive on empty set. Okay na. So empty relation is not a reflexive non-empty set. Empty relations is not reflexive. Empty relation is reflexive is empty set. Empty relation is not reflexive is non-empty set. Okay na. The maximum number of reflexive relations that can be defined at a set A is 2 power n square minus 1 n. 2 power n square minus n. Okay na, where n is the number of elements in A. Okay na. Okay.